Hey guys, how you doing? Kinder here. Instead of writing usual, long announcements and stuff, I just gonna try to record as short as possible video to give you some updates. First one is related to missions. As you probably notice, we filled this number 1,000 NFT staked already a couple days ago. But I'm thinking of extending these slots for maybe 200 more slots because some people couldn't stake it because we had the issues with staking emissions, and since we couldn't test it before with a programmable NFT or PNFT, which is a little bit different standard than a usual one, we didn't had this opportunity to test and know if it works. So for a lot of people, didn't work. They had the issues. They needed to change the browser, device, and so on. So because of that, I think we should extend this for a couple more days and add maybe 200 more slots or 100 more slots, whatever it is, for people to stake. Because there are some people from the beginning of Kara who couldn't really do that, and I think they deserve to get this in. So here is the raffle side. Basically, these missions give you access into this raffle automatically. If you stake here, you come here, and you will be in this raffle. Don't look at this ugly UI. We didn't have the time to do the proper UI for raffles, but there is a new one upcoming. Let me show you pretty quickly. I'm loading here into another screen. Just a second. Just a second. There's a bunch of stuff over here actually, working on, but yeah, this will be updated raffle mission, very similar to, of course, UI. It's similar to the mission, but now this will be for raffle. So yeah, so that's the thing regarding the missions. We're gonna extend a little bit slots and the time to give a time for people to join. Another important thing, Automatio access. So whoever want to get Automatio access to play around and so on, for now you can simply open a ticket. You need to be a card holder. You need to open a ticket, and you also need to go and register on app.automatio.co. And when you register there, you're gonna in the ticket give us your email, and I'll give you manually the free access to the platform until we actually add the connect wallet feature and so on. So whoever need this, just go to app.automatio.co, register, give us the email in the ticket that you register, and we're gonna give you those free access out there. Also have in mind that since we didn't work on Automatio for a while, I mean, for a couple of years while we were on the Moonly out there, there's a tons of things that need to be improved, but this is something we are working on already for the last couple of months. And even now, I'm trying to put more and more people to catch up with the code, with some technology depth, and so on, so we can actually go and push forward. Uh, in the next video, I'm gonna share our strategy and goals that we need and that we want to reach, and probably from people, there's a different people in our community having different experience and in different fields. You probably can contribute some ideas and some suggestions, use that from marketing, user perspective, or technology. When it comes to reading suggestions, some people said you don't read suggestions on the Automatio. That's true. I didn't have time to read the Automatio channel because I didn't thought you had access yet to the platform that you can give a feedback. This gonna change since you're gonna get access. So I'm gonna start reading those suggestions out there. Um, yeah. So also regarding the Karamendos. Yeah, from time to time, you probably notice I was sweeping out using Karamendos account. I can also do that from time to time to keep a floor price uh, a little bit above than what it is right now. The floor is pretty thin, so that's why I'm sweeping. Of course, we can use money for other purposes, and we gonna. But I think since a lot of people got the airdrops and all this stuff, some people just want to, make something out of it because they got their cars for free. Another thing, yeah, my availability. You probably noticed, for example, for last 2 days, I didn't been there. I didn't write any single message. You need to be aware that first of all, I'm a human. I need to get rest as well, and there's a tons of messages and tons of things that I need to deal with. There's a one team, core team, developers, and all this stuff. Um, and then, of course, there's communities, there are DMs, and another set of teams that work with community, like Kai, Little Feather, Kodal, and so on. So sometimes I just need to get rest and get rid of all the match. I just don't want to open anything because it's very mentally exhausting, to be honest. But nevertheless, the goal again for Automatio is a very, very straightforward. Make it sustainable business, make it profitable. This will be the only way that Karamendos will be able to succeed uh, in the sea of, let's say, NFT projects or even in the meme world and token meme worlds during the long term period. So our goal is really, really simple: make it sustainable, make it profitable, and we have built a strategy for that. There is a, outlined what is the most important stuff out there. I'm gonna i'm gonna talk about this stuff next time, maybe in the live call. But this is one of the really, really most important things to add into Automatio. I'm gonna go into details next time. So yeah, I hope this video is not too long. 7 minutes already. Anyway, talk to you. Be good. Be patient. Peace out.